I had a door model that I drew earlier, and I will leave this door model in this section. I will give you the download link, and you can download it as well. Since it's a bit of a futuristic model, it will be suitable for this space. I'm holding it from this part and leaving it at this spot. Let's do it like this. I left it short. My door is 110 centimeters. This door seems a bit big. We can actually make the door a bit bigger. The door entrance. Let's measure how much it is. I'm measuring this part. 1457 centimeters. Mine is, it was 110. From here, it's 145.7. Yes, like this. I'm continuing, friends. Of course, you can use any door model you like. I just brought my own door model here as an example. With this kind of process, it will create a nice ambiance here. Friends, now what we will be doing, the process is the coloring part. Why? Because when you normally take a model like this to Twinmotion or a different rendering engine, friends, the entire model will be white. You can't tell which coding, which model, or which finish it will apply to. So you need to do the coloring from this page here. Look, I entered, and since they are components, when I select one of them, they will all change color at once. Friends, I made these a different color. The columns. I'm making a different color. Continuing, by making a different color for the walls. Look, the walls and the ones with buttons, these three have the same color, which means all three will have the same finish. Let's do this for the beams as well. We can use this color, and this color. As you can see, we have two columns here. I'm going to use these colors for the columns again, friends. Subscribe. We have a color here. Again, here, the specific color doesn't matter. What's important is that it just has to be a color because the program needs to work in a color-sensitive way to differentiate. It needs to be set up. Friends. So, this situation is the case. Look, we have the ceiling part. We will work on the ceiling part, and then we will send it to Twinmotion. Subscribe to the ceiling part. Let's make this a color like this. As you can see, I've created a color like this. Yes, there's the floor part. On the floor, let's have a color like this, all in different colors. Meaning, you can make the same ones in the same color and the different ones in different colors. You continue with an event like this, columns and other systems. We will subscribe and create the coverings and textures with Twinmotion, friends. So Twinmotion's success in this regard is high. Let's erase this part too. And as you can see, this is the situation. We will have a vehicle here, and we will be able to visualize this in Twinmotion as we want. Friends, let's take another look. Let's open up our shadow like this. Yes, we have this kind of ambience. As you can see, you can also make this adjustment from SketchUp. You can set the sun's fall according to the months. Oh, guys, like this, even from the Vividin toolbars. We had our plugin called Solar Nord here. As you know, SketchUp's famous plugin. When you select this, you can adjust the position of the sun's rays. As you can see, it looks like this. We have created a space like this, guys. Let's continue by transferring this space to Twinmotion in the other section. Of course, don't forget to save your file from time to time. Save the file. Before sending it to Twinmotion, don't forget to do the virtual units part from model.info in Windows and from static. Guys, look at our file. In the case of 1.5 MB, 1.6 MB, I'm saying I love you. Look, it has dropped to 1.64 MB. It's quite a light model, a lightweight model, guys. We'll continue like this and send it to Twinmotion.